Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily download some keyboard app for your TV. To do this you have to go straight into apps and then you have to click get more apps. It will redirect you straight to Play Store, where you will see a lot of featured apps. You have to go up to search. In the search tab, you have to search for keyboard, your keyboard if you want to. For us, it will be Apple keyboard or some different keyboard. And as you can see, we have a lot of keyboards: Lean keyboard, Pango keyboard, external keyboard helper, and a lot of more. For example, we will download Lean keyboard. We have to click install and now we have to just wait. And now we just have to click open. And here we can click activate keyboard, change layout, change dim, miscellaneous and about application. Now we can exit, and to choose this keyboard you have to go straight into your settings of your TV, go to apps, the device preferences, keyboard, and in keyboard you have to click on current keyboard. Manage keyboards. Here you will see your Lean keyboard. You have to enable this and click OK. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.